Find the derivatives of the following by using first principle. By using first principle. What is the first principle? Let y equal to f of x be a function. Dy by dx equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus fx by h. This is called a first principle or definition of the derivative. Derivative of y with respect to x. This is the formula. This formula is called a first principle or a definition So by using this definition we calculate some derivatives of the some functions. First one, y equal to x power 4 plus 4. Let it be f of x. We want to dy by dx. dy by dx. dy by dx equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus fx by h. This is the first principle. So f of x plus h, replace x with x plus h. So limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h, x replace with x plus h power 4 plus 4. This is f of x minus f of x power 4 plus 4 by h. So multiply with minus. Limit h tends to 0 x plus h whole power 4 plus 4 minus x power 4 minus 4 by h. Plus 4 minus 4 cancel. Next, limit x plus h whole power 4 minus x power 4 by h. X plus h whole power 4 minus x power 4 by h. So we apply this formula. Limit x tends to a, x power m, a power m by x power n, a power n, m by n into a power m minus n. This is the limit formula. So add plus x and minus x in the denominator. Add plus x and minus x. Similarly, add x on both sides. X plus h tends to x. Observe x all are equal. A all are equal. X plus h whole power 1 x power 1. So m value 4, n value 1, a value x. So m by n, a power m minus n, m value 4, n value 1. So this is the formula. Finally, 4 into x cube. 4 into x cube. This is the first problem. Next, second problem. y equal to f of x equal to under root x plus 1 under root x plus 1. So first principle formula is this one. Apply this formula. Limit h tends to 0. Replace x with x plus h under root when x value x plus h plus 1 minus f of x value x plus 1 by h. F of x plus h minus fx by h. Next, rationalize this one. Limit h tends to 0 under root x plus h plus 1 root x plus 1 by h under root x plus h plus 1 under root x plus 1 by under root x plus h plus 1. So this is a minus b. Multiply and divide with a plus b term, a plus b by a plus b. So a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So limit h tends to 0, a square x plus h plus 1 whole square minus b square, a square minus b square. Write denominator as is. h into under root x plus h plus 1 plus under root x plus 1. Root 2 square cancel. Multiply with this minus. Limit h tends to 0, x plus h plus 1. Multiply with minus x minus 1 by h into, write denominator as this, x plus h plus 1 plus under root x plus 1 plus x plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Limit h tends to 0, h by h into under root x plus h plus 1 under root x plus 1. This h cancel. H cancel. Next, apply h tends to 0. 1 by under root x plus 1 under root x plus 1, h value 0. So same problem repeated 2 times, same term repeated 2 times. So 1 by 2 root x plus 1. This is the derivative of this one from the first principle. F of x plus h minus fx, a minus b. So multiply and divide with a plus b term. So in the numerator, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, root 2 square cancel. Multiply with minus x minus 1 plus x minus x cancel, plus 1 minus 1 cancel. So remaining h by h into under root x plus h plus 1 under root x plus 1. H cancel. Put x value, h value 0 under root x plus 1 under root x plus 1. 2 times under root x plus 1. So this is the answer. Next, third problem, third one. Y equal to f of x equal to sin 2x. Sin 2x. So first principle, f of x plus h minus fx by h. So this equal to limit h tends to 0. Replace x with x plus h. Sin 2 into x plus h. This 2 is this one. X replace with x plus h minus sin 2x by h. Limit h tends to 0. Sin 2x plus 2h multiply with these two. Minus sin 2x by h. This is in the form of a sin c minus sin d. Sin c minus sin d. What is the formula? 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. So apply this formula. Limit h tends to 0. 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c value minus d value by 2 whole divided by h. This is the formula, sin c minus sin d. Next, plus 2x minus 2x cancel. Limit h tends to 0. 2 cos 2x plus 2x 4x plus 2h 4x plus 2h by 2 into sin 2h by 2 whole divided by h. Sin 2h by 2. 2 cancel. 2 cancel. Sin theta by theta. Sin theta by theta value equal to 1. Substitute h value 0. 2 cos 4x plus 0 by 2 sin theta by theta. Sin theta by theta value 1. So 4 2 times cancel. 2 cos 2x 2 cos 2x. Next, fourth problem. Y equal to f of x equal to cos ax cos ax. First principle. Next, f of x plus h cos a into x plus h minus cos ax by h multiply with a cos ax plus ah minus cos ax whole divided by h. This is a cos c minus cos d formula. Cos c minus cos d minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2 whole divided by this h. Cos c minus cos d minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2 plus ax minus ax cancel. Ax plus ax 2ax, so minus 2 sin 2ax plus ah by 2 2ax plus ah by 2. This is sin ah by 2 whole divided by this h. Limit h tends to 0, 2 sin 2ax plus ah by 2 by h. Sin theta. So multiply and divide with theta. Sin ah by 2 ah by 2 ah by 2 sin theta by theta into theta. H cancel, 2 cancel, so minus sin 2ax, h value 0, h tends to 0, 0 into something equal to 0. Next, sin theta by theta value 1 into a, this a, 2 cancel, so finally minus a sin ax minus a sin ax